Most people think that your property can only be sold for a financed offer or a cash offer. But what if I told you that there's a third option? Stay tuned. Most properties are only cash or financed. But Marcos and I are beginning to see that there's some properties that could qualify for both. And so what do I mean by that? Well, a cash property is usually something that needs more than $80,000 to $150,000 in repairs. A finance property is something that needs maybe $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 worth in repairs, or none at all. But there's some properties that are classified as cash only, but you could still entertain a financed offer. And by entertaining a financed offer, you're going to receive $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 higher price point than if you only went cash. To determine that, what Marcos and I do is when we walk the home, we take a look at how much it would cost to make the property to qualify for a financed offer. And I'll give you the example. We had a property recently in Los Angeles, and the property really only needed a garage on top of the detached to be repaired, and it needed some roof repairs on the home. We're looking at roughly somewhere between $10,000 to $20,000. And by making that investment, now the estate is able to sell that property for $600,000 to a finance buyer instead of selling it for $500,000 to a cash-only buyer. So if you have a property in probate, don't hesitate. Contact Marcos and I. We'll come over, take a look, and we'll tell you it'll only qualify for cash, maybe only financing, or you might be able to market the property right in the middle in our new hybrid model where you can entertain both cash offers and financed offers, knowing that you just have to do some minimal repairs to get the higher price. Go ahead and reach out. Our information is below.